Hello, I'm Scott Florence, and just now what I'm going to be talking about is more of the latest science news, more specifically how we can detect the atmospheres around alien planets, allowing us to know if life could evolve there, or if we could ever live there. Now currently most information about planets is discovered by when they are transiting their star, and what a transit is when a planet passes directly between us and its parent star, allowing us to see its silhouette, and it appears to cause the star to dim. Now the issue with this is that most planets don't transit their host star, which means that we can't see most of the planets that are out there. And also transits don't actually tell us very much about the star. We can detect the wobbling of the stars in order to calculate the time that the planets take to orbit and the masses of the planets. But less than 10% of the planets that we are aware of have had their atmospheres detected by us. And we can't really see planets that don't transit their host star because they are at least 1,000 times dimmer than the star. Now the new technique doesn't actually require the planet to transit the star, as it analyses the scattered light from the planet. Now the way that this is possible is as light passes through the atmospheres of planets, the light is polarised in a different way to how the star polarises the light. If you don't know what polarisation is, the easiest way to imagine polarised light is light that moves as a wave along a single plane. So it could be polarised vertically, in which case the easiest way to imagine it is the light travelling up and down the plane. Or it can be done horizontally, in which case the easiest way to imagine it is the light moving left and right in a wave along the plane. Or it can be polarised in any other angle. Now this means that the light from the planet can be separated from the light from the star, which means that we can analyse it on its own. Also it means that we don't get confined to only looking at planets that transit the stars, because the light gets scattered from the planet's atmosphere and some of it will be headed towards us. Normally we wouldn't be able to separate out the light that's scattered towards us from the star's light, but in this case we can. So this will give us a better idea of quite how many planets out there could support life, and on which of them we would have the possibility of living on, presuming that we get there because it is incredibly far away. And also we can find out which planets are most probable of having alien life on them. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe, like and comment if you have any questions, suggestions or corrections. There are probably annotations here which you should comment down below if you want to have a say on what I upload next. And I see you next time.